To customize lock screen on Realme GT8 Pro, we need to go to Settings. There we go. Now in here in Settings, we should be able to find Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Style. And the first thing that you can do is you can choose the preset over here. So we have different flux themes with different clock faces, etc., different styles, and you can start with that. You can also tap on all flux themes in order to find more examples and different clocks. As you can see here, these look kind of nice. So once you find your favorite theme, I'm gonna actually use one of these presets, this default one. Then you can start customizing the lock screen. For example, you can zoom in and zoom out on the wallpaper, actually not in this one for some reason. And with 2 fingers you can move around the wallpaper if it's a custom one, not this preset one. You can tap on the clock in order to choose the additional info like the pedometer, the temperature, or just none. And we have different styles for the selected clock and different fonts as well. The thickness of the font and colors, so you can choose a color that you want to use for the clock on the lock screen. Below over here we have shortcuts, so you can customize them quite easily. And then at the bottom there's also the style and depth. And let me actually try to use a different image. Maybe we're gonna go, let me actually go back. Maybe we're gonna choose this one. So now as you can see, if there's like a clear object that can cover the clock, then we can use the depth effect, which hides the clock behind that subject. And in style, we can find the enlarge option, different effects over here, and the blur as well. So if you want to, you can blur the wallpaper. And like I said, we can use 2 fingers or use the zoom in and zoom out gesture in order to, well, to do exactly that. And with the 2 fingers, we can move the wallpaper around. And that is pretty much it. Of course, remember to use the apply button in the upper right corner once you want to save changes. Subscribe to my channel.